Hi guys, with another video. Today I am gonna show you how you can measure the roof pitch. The unit that is level 1 feet level things, and you need the measurement. Also, yeah, let's try to how you can measure this roof pitch. Like you just put this on the roof, and you just look the bubble. What are you gonna do? Bubble is gonna come as you see let's see the bubble. It should come middle, as you see right there, and you will measure this underneath. Yeah, let's go ahead. Measure as you see. Bubble gonna come the center of this to right here, and then as you see this side is higher, right there, higher. You're gonna measure this side. Let me get the measurement, then we can continue to find out how we're gonna measure. Right there, you bring that bubble right the middle, exactly right here, the middle, and bring this measurement, and look, it's, let me see how little, okay, right there, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 1 inch, yeah, 1/4. So this is the pitch for this roof, small roof, and that I can show you how you can measure it. This is once again 1 inch, quarter. Yeah, this is the one. There is another way to you can know this roof pitch. There is an app that you can I can show you the app that you can go ahead and download the app. This is called let me see, this is called right there. Oh, hold on a minute. Pitch gauge, right that, pitch gauge 3.0. And what you do, just okay, tap here. Not there, sorry. Sorry, hold on a minute, let me. Okay, go to pitch finder, this is the one. And what you do, just put on top of the roof. It shows you exactly how high the pitch, like 1.2. Yeah, this is very accurate. With the measurement, maybe I made a mistake a little bit. I mean, this is the very nice app that you can use and find your roof pitch once again. And this pitch, I mean, these apps, you can use it. App's name, again, this is the one, pitch gauge. This is the app that you can use. Once again, I can show with this level 1. As I said, you just bring the bubble middle, okay, and then get the measurements from over here. As you see, this shows 1 inch quarter. Yeah, so yeah, of course apps it's better, and if you use the apps, but approximately you can find the pitch with this tool, measurement, and level 1. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.